Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best Sportster tank lift currently available on the market, the Motoparty 2-inch or 5.1 tank lift riser kit. Now, why would someone want a tank lift on their Harley? It's not just about looks, though let's be honest, the aggressive stance it gives your bike is undeniably cool. A tank lift can improve airflow around the engine, making your bike run cooler and more efficiently. And of course, it also gives you much easier access to wiring, which comes in handy during custom builds or electrical troubleshooting. This particular kit from Motoparty is crafted from durable alloy steel, giving you the strength you need without adding unnecessary weight. You're getting a brand new, high-quality lift kit right out of the box. It's built to be tough, reliable, and safe, no cheap plastic or flimsy materials here. It's engineered to last through real-world riding conditions. What makes this kit stand out is its perfect compatibility. If you ride a Harley Sportster 1200 or 883, whether it's an Iron, Roadster, Standard, or even older XLH models, this kit is built to fit without hassle. You're not going to spend hours modifying parts to make it work. It's a true bolt-on experience for most users, which is exactly what you want in a lift kit. Let's talk specs. It provides a 2-inch or 51mm lift, which is pretty much the sweet spot for tank risers. It's enough to dramatically change the profile of your bike and improve airflow, but not so high that it interferes with your handlebars or riding posture. You're still going to have comfort and control, but now your bike will have that aggressive custom edge. The installation is something a lot of riders ask about, and the great news is, it's very manageable. With basic tools and mechanical skills, most riders can get this mounted in under an hour. You don't need to be a professional mechanic, and you won't be taking your entire bike apart. Just lift the tank, bolt in the risers, and you're good to go. Now, one quick heads up, if you're planning to order this kit from outside the US, especially to countries like India, make sure to check shipping availability. As of now, this item isn't eligible for direct shipping to all international locations, so you might need a third-party shipping service or check with other sellers for global delivery. All in all, the Motoparty Tank Lift Riser Kit offers a rock-solid combination of style, function, and ease of installation. If you're looking to give your Harley Sportster a cleaner, more aggressive look while also getting practical performance benefits, this is hands down one of the best tank lift kits you can buy. That wraps it up for today's breakdown. If you found this review helpful and want more honest insights into the best aftermarket motorcycle gear out there, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, ride safe and see you in the next one.